Hi everyone, in this video, I want to give you an update on the K1 Fiance visa. So for those of you that don't know me, my name is Michael Ashoori and I'm a US immigration lawyer based in Los Angeles, California. At my law firm, we regularly post videos to keep you up to date with what's happening in immigration. So if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button now. Now let's get started. So I've been getting a lot of questions from people that are asking me if the K1 Fiance visa is banned. And the good news is that the K1 visa is not banned. Now let me explain why. Due to COVID-19, President Trump signed two major executive orders that suspend the issuance of certain visas. So back in April, President Trump signed an executive order which suspends the issuance of immigrant visas. The K1 visa is a non-immigrant visa, so it's not impacted by that April executive order. Now, again, 2 months later, in June, President Trump signed another executive order which suspends the issuance of certain non-immigrant visas, including the H-1B visa, the J-1 visa, and the L-1 visa. But the K-1 visa specifically was not included in that June executive order. So the K-1 Fiance visa was not banned by either of those two executive orders. Now, so there's some good news there, but I have to mention a couple of important points. The first important point that I want to mention is that for the most part, many consulates are currently not accepting routine visa appointments. So for that reason, right now it's challenging to get visa interviews to actually get your visa. So that's one thing that's currently impacting people getting their actual K1 visa. Another important point that I want to mention is that there are certain executive orders, there are certain travel restrictions, I should say, that prevent or limit the travel of people from certain countries to the United States. So that can be a hurdle to entering the United States as well. But in general, the K1 visa itself is not banned. So presumably, when the consulates start to reopen for routine visa interviews, the K1 visa should be available. Now, another important point that I want to mention is that we've been getting some reports that certain consulates and embassies have been taking the position that the K1 visa is an immigrant visa, and so it should be subject, or it should be included within the April executive order. But the K1 visa, as I've already mentioned, is a non-immigrant visa. So this is incorrect. The good news that we're seeing is that one of those consulates has since changed its position and now takes the position that the K1 visa is a non-immigrant visa. And so that particular embassy that I'm referring to is the London embassy. We've seen some examples of emails that were sent from the London embassy suggesting that the K1 visa was an immigrant visa, but we have since seen that they've updated their website to show that the K1 visa is a non-immigrant visa. So hopefully that's a good indication that other consulates will similarly update their websites to show that the K1 visa is a non-immigrant visa. Another important point that I want to mention is that many consulates are correctly already stating that the K1 visa is a non-immigrant visa. For example, one of the embassies in the Philippines was correctly pointing out that the K1 visa is a non-immigrant visa. So, so I know that's kind of a lot of information. I hope you guys found it very helpful. If you liked this video, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. If you know anybody that could benefit from this video, please go ahead and share this video with them. We're all about spreading knowledge to help empower you. So if you know anybody that could benefit, please feel free to share this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And again, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, the best way to stay up to date with our videos is to subscribe to our channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. As always, thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I will see you on the next one.